Hello IG Garage family. Is your car showing the P0052 error code and running inefficiently? This issue can lead to increased fuel consumption, rough engine performance, and even failed emissions tests. Ignoring it could cost you extra money on fuel and repairs. In this video, we'll cover what P0052 means, the exact sensor location, which is very important, and how to diagnose and fix it properly. Stay tuned because solving this issue early can save you from major engine troubles. What does P0052 mean? The P0052 code stands for Heated Oxygen Sensor, HO2S, Heater Control Circuit High, Bank 2 Sensor 1. This means the upstream oxygen sensor on Bank 2 is receiving higher voltage than expected in its heater circuit. The heater is designed to warm up the sensor quickly for more accurate air-fuel ratio readings. Symptoms of P0052 include check engine light on, poor fuel economy, rough idling or hesitation, higher emissions output, and delayed oxygen sensor response. Common causes of P0052. First, a faulty oxygen sensor, also known as HO2S. A shorted heater inside the sensor can trigger the code. Next, a blown fuse or a stuck relay. A stuck relay can send continuous high voltage. Third, damaged wiring or a short circuit. Frayed or melted wires can cause excessive voltage. Fourth, an ECU malfunction. The engine control unit might be incorrectly sending high voltage. And lastly, improper sensor installation. A wrong or incorrectly connected sensor can cause issues. Where's the oxygen sensor located for P0052? This is very important. Bank 2, Sensor 1 location, which is the upstream O2 sensor, is located on the exhaust manifold or downpipe before the catalytic converter. Bank 2 refers to the side of the engine opposite cylinder 1. In V6 and V8 engines, Bank 2 is usually on the passenger side. The oxygen sensor connects to the main engine wiring loom or ECU. The fuse and relay for the heater circuit are typically found in the underhood fuse box. Make sure to check your vehicle's repair manual for the exact fuse number. Always check your vehicle's service manual for the precise sensor location based on your engine type. To diagnose and fix P0052, the first step is to check the oxygen sensor heater resistance. You'll need to use a multimeter to measure the resistance across the heater terminals. If the resistance you measure is too low or even zero, well, it means the sensor is faulty and will need to be replaced. Next, you should inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for any signs of burnt, shorted, or broken wires. This step is crucial to ensure all connections are intact and functioning properly. Repair or replace any damaged connections. 3. Test the fuse and relay. Locate the oxygen sensor heater fuse in the fuse box. If the relay is stuck, it may send excessive voltage. Replace it if necessary. Alright, let's check for high voltage at the sensor connector. Use a voltmeter to verify the correct voltage is being sent to the sensor. If the voltage is too high, the problem might be in the ECU or the wiring. Now clear the code and take your car for a test drive. After repairs, reset the P0052 code and take your car for a test drive to confirm the fix. So, that's everything you need to know about P0052 HO2S Heater Control Circuit High, Bank 2 Sensor 1. If you're facing this issue, check your oxygen sensor, wiring, fuses, and heater circuit first. For more important car fixes, check out these videos next. 1. P0047 Turbo Supercharger Boost Control Circuit Low. 2. P0035 Turbocharger Bypass Valve Control Circuit High. If this video helped you, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more expert fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.